introduce Libra, a new concept of office chairs. The Libra is a mesh office chair with smooth contour and stable shape. We will review the key features of the Libra that brings optimal satisfaction to its users in a variety of colors and specifications. Let's start tilting function first of all. The Libra's basic tilting features are as follows. Pulling down a lever on the left while sitting on the chair will fix the backrest in position. 4-level locking feature allows the users to adjust the backrest to best suit their needs. Pulling up the inner lever on the right while sitting on the chair will adjust the seat height. The adjustment range of 100 millimeters can accommodate a variety of users. The outer lever on the right can adjust tilting strength of the backrest and sitting position by turning the lever clockwise or counterclockwise. Next is the seat depth adjustment on the front center of the seat. The position of the seat pan can be adjusted by pulling the lever forward. Next is the headrest height adjustment. After sitting on the chair, the user can grab the headrest with both hands and adjust it to the appropriate height. In addition to these basic features, the Libra has 2 new core concepts. Nowadays, the work environment has evolved from a simple desk work to mobile work environment using smartphones and tablet PCs. To accommodate such trend, the Libra's first core concept provides a comfortable mobile work environment that ergonomically supports the user's arms with flexible arm pad adjustment. Grab the lever on the outer edge of the left and right armrests. Push the lever up and down to adjust the armrest height. The arm pads can be moved forward and backward. 180-degree rotation adjusts the horizontal width, and 360-degree rotation accommodates various arm positions. The Libra also offers a new functional feature, the second core concept that can automatically adjust the core functions needed for general work environment according to the user's movement without making additional manipulations. The users can preset 3 modes to suit their work style. First is the normal mode. This mode offers a fixed seat like other office chairs. The control button is pushed in when the rear end of the seat is lowered. This mode provides the leveled seat like other office chairs for the users who find the forward tilting mode awkward. Second is the forward tilting mode. This mode is appropriate for those who lean on a desk to work most of the time. Push in the control button when the user tilts the upper body toward the desk and raises the rear end of the seat. A simple manipulation keeps the seat pan tilted forward, which helps straightening the spine for correct posture and reducing pressure on the thighs for smooth blood flow so that the user can sit comfortably for a long period of time to do the work. Third is the automatic mode. A person using the office chair continuously repeats the actions of sitting on a chair, leaning on a desk to use a PC or answer the phone, and resting the upper body against a backrest while doing the work. When the control button pulled out, the Libra helps minimizing the empty space behind the lumbar as the angle of the seat pan and the curvature of the backrest are automatically adjusted to the user's movement without manually manipulating them. This adaptiveness of the automatic mode supports the lumbar to maintain a natural S-curve of the user's spine and provides optimal comfort by evenly distributing the pressure on the back, waist, and hips. The Libra, a new concept of functional chairs whose core functions as an office chair work naturally without additional manipulations, along with its appropriate controls to accommodate a variety of users. Experience it now.